Hey guys, my name's Lee, and welcome to the Hygge House. First off, thank you so much for booking the home. It's my job to make sure you have a relaxing and rejuvenating stay at the Lake House. Now there are some quirks and features about the home that I'd love to tell you about. The first, you're going to get a personalized door entry code that's good for the duration of your stay. To enter the home, all you need to do is put in that code on the door pad, and the door will open. So come on in. All right guys, let me tell you about a few of the features here of the living room at the Hygge House. The first is this awesome modern fireplace. This thing can put out 50,000 BTUs of heat, so it can really heat the room. In order to prevent that from happening and to make sure everyone stays comfortable, you want to make sure on this remote you have it to smart mode. What smart mode will do is actually regulate the amount of heat coming out of the fireplace based upon the desired temperature of the room, so everyone can stay comfortable. In the warmer months, when you don't really want or need a fireplace, it has this awesome light fixture option as well, which is controllable on the remote. Next, we have this amazing 75-inch Q9 OLED Samsung TV, and it has all the apps you could ever want. ESPN, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube. If you want it, it's probably got it, and it'll look and sound great as well. And finally, we have this awesome Bluetooth record player. To connect, all you're going to do is hit this button right here, and it'll auto connect to the soundbar, and you have some awesome vinyl records to play during your stay. All right guys, the Hygge House has this amazing chef's kitchen for all your cooking needs during your stay. Two things to be aware of though. One, we have a touch-sensitive faucet, we have an instant hot water heater, and my favorite, a Chick-fil-A ice machine. Welcome to the main bedroom at the Hygge House. Let me tell you a little about it. So first, you have these cool bedside lights that are controllable either on the wall or individually. You can dim them and turn them on and off right here. Also remember, you got the commands that work too. Additionally, you have this really neat LED blue light. That remote is over here, right by the bedside, on or off. Now you probably noticed this really cool headboard. Let me tell you a little about it. It's called a Sherman oak headboard. It's custom, one of a kind, and when General Sherman came to Atlanta during the Civil War and burned it down, this was one of the few trees that survived. Unfortunately, it got hit by lightning and caught a fungus, so they had to cut it down for safety reasons. But we were able to save it and turn it into this one-of-a-kind headboard. Additionally, you have this really cool Eames chair for a little reading nook, and the master bathroom is really nice too. Huge shower, heated floors, dual vanities, smart toilet, and automatic flushing urinal. Welcome to one of my favorite spaces in the Hygge House, the Four Seasons screened-in porch. This space is great because you have 2 lounge chairs and 2 sofas, so the whole group can hang out. You also have the Samsung TV and high-end Samsung soundbar behind me, which will allow you to watch movies, sports, and games. The best part about this room is it's comfortable throughout the year. In the cooler months, we have a 6,000 watt Bromic heater that has a medium and a high setting controllable with these buttons right here. In the warmer months, we have a large industrial fan that'll keep everyone cool throughout the year. And finally, don't forget about the Zen wall over here. At nighttime, it creates the perfect mood, and that's controllable with this remote right here. All right guys, let me tell you about one of my favorite features of the Hygge House. It's this awesome custom-made grill table with a view. Here, I'll show you the grills. First is this Komodo Joe. It's a charcoal grill, awesome for cooking things like steak, chicken, fish, hamburgers. This is your guy. All the charcoal is provided for you right below here. Additionally, all your utensils needed for cooking your amazing food right here. Below that, you'll have your fire starter, which is good for getting this started, as well as the fire pit down below, which I'm sure you're gonna enjoy. Here, let me show you the Blackstone. This is the Blackstone Griddle. If you've never used one, they're amazing. A few things to be aware of though. Just to get it started, pretty simple. You're gonna turn the gas on, fire it up. No problem. This is great for cooking eggs, bacon, pancakes, hamburgers, all that good stir fry, all that good stuff. This is awesome, and the best part is it's super easy to clean. So after you get done cooking, you're just gonna grab this handy dandy scraper, which will be right here in this drawer, and scrape all the remaining foodstuffs into this catch-all right here that's lined. Additional liners are in this second drawer. After you do that, you're gonna grab this water bottle, which will be right below here, and squirt it with some water. You'll see it starts to steam and things like that. That's good news. You'll grab the scraper again, scrape everything back, and your last step, just grab a paper towel, put a few dollops of olive oil or sunflower oil, which is also below, and just wipe it down. You're all done. All right guys, so we have this awesome solo stove fire pit, which is super cool. You also have a nice view as well. Super simple to light, let me show you how. You'll have one of these inside underneath the coffee station. You're just gonna light it, toss it in, and let it rip. All right guys, well that about wraps it up for me telling you about the quirks and features here at the Hygge House. As I mentioned, it's my job to help ensure you have a relaxing and rejuvenating stay. So if you need anything at all, feel free to get in touch with me. I know you're gonna have an amazing time, and welcome to the Hygge House.